How is Bogota? When you visit Colombia, it is a must to visit her capital city because there are loads of things to do here. Like most South American countries, indigenous people live here first, and then European invaders conquer them. In this case, it is the Muisca people who are dominated in 1538 by Spanish conquistador Gonzalo Jimenez de Quesada, who names their capital Santa Fe de Bogota. In 1819, Revolutionary General Simón Bolívar liberates the city and makes it his capital of Gran Colombia, which we now know as Colombia, Venezuela, Panama, and Ecuador. Today, as the capital of modern-day Colombia, it is officially Bogotá Distrito Capital. All right, since your short history lesson is now complete, let's explore this beautiful city. Bogota, soaring nearly 3,000 meters above sea level, offers you plenty of panoramic views. My top choice for taking the best photos is Montserrat, where you can take the funicular or tramway all the way up to the mountaintop church. The scenery here is simply breathtaking. Our next stop, La Candelaria, should be very familiar to you from our recent Chicha episode. This is Bogotá's old town, where you may visit traditional restaurants, chicherias, and urban artworks. To complete your tour, enter Bogotá's spacious Plaza Bolívar, which houses their capital buildings. It is also a gathering place for street merchants, entertainers, and protesters. This is merely a taste of Bogotá, and the best way to enjoy this vicinity is to fly here yourself. If you are looking forward to your next international trip, then become an Anthronaut by clicking the bell below. In our next Colombia episode, we will visit Medellin. I'm Mark Thomas for Anthronauts.com.
Anthronauts.